This will give you the glow and baby skin you want. Do you have dull, rough, and uneven skin texture? Today, I'll teach you how to make your own body scrub at home and the most appropriate way to use it for effective results. In a mixing bowl, add sugar. Sugar granules are a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. Next, add 2 teaspoons of honey. The gentle texture of honey aids in removing dead skin cells. It also has natural antibacterial properties that can help prevent and treat acne and other skin infections. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. This helps even out skin tone and impart a natural glow, making it useful for reducing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Add body wash to the bowl. Now add coconut oil and mix the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. The body wash will add a cleansing element to your scrub. Apply this body scrub to your damp skin. Gently massage in circular motion. If you like this recipe, drop a yes, I will use it.